Okay, so this is part 2 of Stormy Monday. So just down towards Caleta Beach, Playa de Caleta, and here's San Sebastian on a stormy day. Totally different than when you see the sun over the bay. Look at the different colours. Absolutely awesome. I don't think there'll be many people on the beach today. That. Obviously this one wasn't here. Somebody's oh. Whew. Okay, I didn't even start paddling there. Gotta be careful now. I don't want wet feet. Trench foot doesn't help me. Okay, now I've got to hold on to my hat because they'll go flying otherwise. So yeah. Go down and have a look at Caleta. Okay, just coming up to Caleta Beach. The palm trees are blowing in the wind as Bob Dylan sang. Definitely going to the blues with Stormy Monday. Oh, that cloud looks a bit ominous, to say the least. You can see the colours changed. The algae brushed up onto the beach. I'll not take my hat off. There we go. Oh, not good stuff for camping. Well, I'm pretty glad the old ficus trees haven't blown down. That would not be good. So here's the look at this. The algae all blowing up onto the beach. That's why you've got the darker colours. Wow, man. Okay, just finish up here so you can see. Well, this weather does to the beach. Deserted. And you can see there the little fishing boats going up and down.